In this video, I'll show you how to use command mode in Wispr Flow to instantly transform your text using simple voice instructions. I'm heading over to a Google Doc where I've drafted a basic follow-up email that feels a little too wordy and repetitive. First, I'll select the entire paragraph that I want to improve to ensure the AI has the full context. Once the text is highlighted, I'll activate command mode. I want this specific message to be much punchier and easier to read, so I'll simply give the voice command, make it more direct and clear. You might see a small notification if the process takes an extra moment to communicate with the server, but Wispr Flow is already working in the background to analyze the intent of my request. There we go, the text has been instantly updated on the page to be significantly more concise and get straight to the point. Now, let's say I want to change the tone once more to something even more sophisticated for a high-stakes application. I'll highlight the new text again and trigger command mode. This time, I'll give the instruction, make it more formal. Even if a brief retry message appears, the system is successfully processing the natural language request to adjust the vocabulary and sentence structure. In just a few seconds, the draft is transformed into a polished, formal email that sounds professional and genuinely interesting. Using command mode allows me to iterate on my writing style and tone without ever having to manually delete or rewrite a single sentence. It is a powerful, seamless way to ensure your communication always hits the right note with total ease. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.